Hello everyone, today I'm going to be setting up my new PetCube camera, getting organized and planning for the new month. So first things first, I was so excited for this PetCube and setting it up was actually really easy. You basically download the app and follow the step-by-step instructions like setting up a profile for you and your pet and then connecting the app on your phone to the camera. I have always mentioned that I wanted to have a pet camera since I have been working and leaving Coco alone. So I have been really excited about setting this up. So it comes with this metal mounting plate and double-sided tape. So you can tape it basically to any surface, and the camera has a magnetic base which snaps onto the metal plate. I actually put mine on top of my kitchen cupboard, which was the best place to see my entire apartment. The camera head can also be adjusted if you need to change the view, but that was basically all that it was. A really easy, simple, clean setup. You also want to wait until you hear like the voice commands saying it's ready for setup and it's connected, and that is basically it. It was so easy and I am really excited about it.
Ready for setup. QR scanned. Connecting. All set. Try connecting to live stream.
So you heard all of the setup noises, and basically all you do now is adjust. This is in my office area, so I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the camera, and as you can see, it is basically adjusting to best suit wherever view you want. You also want to accept to, have the microphone so you can go ahead and hear them, they can hear you, or you can like save to your camera. That was basically my setup, and this is a really funny clip. This was the first time I ever set up the PetCube. This is Coco. I'm just so happy I got to capture this moment forever and just keep it forever. I don't know, it made me smile so much, it made me so happy, and I'm really happy about this PetCube cam. So I'm just popping on here to tell you about the PetCube. So it's not sponsored or anything. I really do love it. I think it's such a great inexpensive buy if you just want to like live stream your pet. Hi! But I would say that it comes with a subscription. So if you did want to have like playback, or if you did want to have like video storage up to like 10 days or like different stuff like that, you would have to pay a lot. For me, I think that was just a lot. I just personally did not go with that option. I'm using the free option, which is basically to live stream Coco, see what she's up to during the day. What I do also love is that it has two-way audio, so I could put on her audio and I could hear her through the day, and I could also speak to her. I've never used that option, so I've never talked to her because I feel like if that might really confuse her and like frighten her, because she might just hear my voice and not know where I am, and I don't want to like harass her because she's so good home alone. She's so settled, and I didn't want to like do anything to frighten her or alarm her, distress her in any way. So I do listen to her throughout the day. Every time I put on my phone and every time I go to the app and I live stream, I always listen to her. Sometimes like she's watching a bird and she's like making the chirp noise. What I do like is that you can record the live stream and you could screenshot directly. You just have to press a button on your phone for the screenshot and it saves automatically to your phone. The same thing goes for the live stream. You can just record and it starts recording, and it will also save straight to your photos. The only thing that I just wish they had, it does not record sound during the live stream, which means that like if she's making cute noises or meowing or anything like that and you record the live stream, you would not hear any sound. So that's the only like disadvantage I would say of using the free service. I have no problems, it is just perfect. I just wish that I could record the live stream audio. I have like so many little live stream clips of her being home that I love, and I will keep it forever, and I'm just happy I could record her live stream. If you want to like be extra, and if that is in your budget, you can definitely have the subscription where you can like have playback and video storage and all of that fun stuff. But if you just want a really basic, really good pet cam, I definitely do love the PetCube. Like I said, it's small, it's cute, it's just so perfect. It is aesthetically pleasing, it doesn't look too big and bulky. It literally functions like what it's supposed to do. The camera quality is really clear as well. It also has an option to automatically switch to night mode if you want, so you will have like night mode on so you can see what she's doing in the night. I love it so much. I actually want to get one for this room because I've been watching her on my pet cam. I realized that she spends a lot of time in this room and I have no idea what she's doing, and I want to see, so I think I'll get a PetCube, another one to put in this room so I can see what she's doing here honestly, it gives me such peace of mind because I can like rest assured knowing that when I go to work or wherever, I can like listen to her throughout the day. I can make sure she's good. I can just like be there for her even though I'm not physically there, and that gives me so much peace of mind, and I'm obsessed with it. I will have the link down below if you want to check it out, but I love it so far. And like I said, you can record the live stream, but you can't play back unless you have that monthly subscription. That doesn't bother me too much. I'm really satisfied and happy with the live stream, and it just gives me peace of mind, like I said. So I absolutely love it. I'm highly recommend it if you have like anxiety about leaving your fur baby home or any pet that you have and you just want to check on them throughout the day. I love it. I just love listening to her throughout the day. I love like hearing her. I love just seeing what she's doing. It makes me so happy. So that is like my 2 cents on the PetCube cam. Love it, highly recommend it. And yeah, if it is in your budget, definitely do the cloud-based subscription to store videos and playback and stuff. I think that would be really fun. Oh my gosh, I am so happy with this pink kettle. I always say in my videos, I don't want to rush to buy anything in my apartment because whatever I get now, I want to use forever in my home or like in my next apartment or wherever it is. I'm so happy I did not rush because I came across the most perfect pastel pink kettle, which goes so amazing with the rest of my Barbie but grown up kitchen vibe. I'm in love with it and I cannot wait to make some tea. This was something I needed to do for a really long time because underneath my kitchen sink was just a mess with all of these cleaning supplies and products. So I got this really nice white basket, and what I really like is how high it is because it can keep really tall bottles and my cleaning supplies. It makes everything look so much more neater underneath my sink, and I love it. I think I want to get a few more, especially for laundry. I think it will be really good to keep all of my laundry supplies in it. I love it so much. I definitely recommend getting a basket for underneath your sink for like all of your cleaning supplies and knickknacks. The next area I'm organizing is Coco's food section. So this is the little part in my island where I kind of keep all of her food in it. I'm stocking up on her fancy feast, so I get a few cans of these every single month and kind of portion them out. So it lasts about like 1.5 to 2 days depending on how she eats. I'm also going to neaten up her churro snacks. It came in this bulk container. I showed this in one of my Amazon hauls, and I'm just going to put out a few at a time so it just looks neater instead of keeping the entire whole big container there. So I can like fill up this smaller container whenever, you know, she needs to top up on her churros. She gets like a third of this every single evening. It is a favorite snack. I treat her every single time I come home from work or whenever I go out. She gets like that, and it makes her so happy, and she really does look forward to it. Next up is my closet. So I'm removing all of these old hangers that are not matching and really plastic, just really not aesthetic, and I'm replacing them with the beautiful blush pink and rose gold ones that I shared in my Amazon haul. I am in love with those. I think they are so pretty. They're non-slip, they're velvet, it feels so good, and I love the color as well. So I am just changing everything out to them so everything just looks cohesive and matching and really makes me happy. Oh my gosh, I'm also like looking at my clothes while I'm going through here and making sure to keep only things that I do love. But I think that when I moved into this apartment, that I only took with me like essential clothes that I really do love. So I don't have anything I need to give away right now. Maybe later in the year I might think about like getting new stuff and changing out old ones, but right now I'm really good. I'm happy with all of my clothes. So now it is just to make everything look really cute with the blush pink hangers. I can't wait to see how it looks. I am so excited. So this is the final product of my mini closet makeover in terms of switching out those ugly plastic hangers with these beautiful rose gold blush pink velvet ones. It made such a huge difference. Let me just say, everything looks so pretty now. I actually feel like if I want to do my laundry just to hang up my clothes, I am so in love with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more content like this, more organization type videos like these. Thumbs it up if you enjoyed it. I will have a few links down below that you can go ahead and check out. And yeah, don't forget to also subscribe so you won't miss anything. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.